But you see, when the next part of it a come, turn up in one shop, all the shop get up and spin with me.
You know them say the chip never fly far from a block. I say you're that the dramatic a while ago, you know. Boy, me I tell you. But on a serious note, babe. What you say happened down a runaway, babe?
Ah, well, the place flood out. You know.
Okay. And what happened to the other property then?
Well, them get some serious structural damage.
You see? And that me I talk about. It could have worse. Kamisha, safe. Our grandma safe. What we have around here, so, is just the fence where the coconut tree drop on. Don't run away, babe. It just flood out. Easy wipe out.
You're right, you know.
You see? That's why I said could have worse. So if we have to put off the wedding, then so be it. I don't like say we're not gonna get married. Right, Trevor?
Yeah, man. But need to find out what happened to the cake lady. Because I don't know if our place mash up or whatsoever.
I understand your concern. We really need to hear from her. Which one of her she come from again? Anova?
And you for tell me, now you find her. Come on, know why you have to find somebody on the next side of the island.
Honestly, she come from Anova. But I told she do business, you know. But like how we not hear from her that means that she gonna gone down there.
I wonder if them are going to get signal soon. Come here, everybody at about St. Elizabeth and Trelawney and the place. Me no hear nobody else say nothing about Hanover. I wonder if the place a drop off of the face of the earth like poor trial.
Trevor Sullivan, don't say that. You think it's a joke thing? It's a serious situation.
Sometimes you have to take bad things make laugh. Hey, poor trial thing wasn't a joke thing, you know. I remember some them people there right at the sea coast. So what you expect? Eh?
Babe, you have a point. But I'm concerned about commission school. Is your Melissa tear up commission school like a paper? So, I want to know when them going to start back school because I don't want she out a lesson.
At least we are passes right now. Kawa, the school have to build back. You have to give them some time. You understand? Meantime, we can homeschool her. Yes about that.
And who are going to be the teacher? Me? You? Wanna have time for yourself?
Come here, just calm yourself, man. All we need to do is maybe get all a tutor.
Okay, Mr. Money Man, we are worried about hurricane. You cashy?
Don't worry yourself, man. Anything for my daughter.
You and your daughter. By the way, she said when I find you, we must make her know.
My last?
I have to tell her say no last.
So show her my phone.
I don't know.
Why am I get the feeling say a tax she go want tax me again?
Maybe. But come at my taxi first. It's up now?
What you do? Turn this in a table tennis board? Eh? Hey. You're full of ideas, you know?
Yeah. Remember, more kids that come here, I'm going to make it a kids-friendly zone as well.
Yeah, that makes sense. So what you want to tax me about now?
That. Want a next set of rackets.
That are the least. Right, you want to play a game?
Not now. Come here.
So you set up over here, so?
Now, this is going to be the area for the corporate people When they come, they can get served while having their meeting.
Nice. Hey, me even like how you sound. So you sound corporate a while ago. This is for the people. Hey, you have it in a Camille.
I know Trevor. I know. That's why I'm assuming you're Mrs. Sullivan. Come here. So these, I want to use them and write something. I'm not too sure what may I write it, but I feel like it's a have a buzz.
C A M I E L. Camille.
A camel, you just not even camel. Camel, you just spell a while ago, you know.
Oh, auntie. I know how your name spell, man. Yeah, be so. Brother, you call me for.
Oh, what, Trevor?
Oi, brother. You have the small part of the gate for use, you know.
Mr. Sullivan, me a call. I don't hear nobody answer. So I say, I come see what I go on.
What you want to say, what go on, Yasafa?
You come to talk to. Let's said, mommy. Sorry for the inconvenience, you know. Mr. Sullivan, I come for reason with.
What you could have want to talk to me about? Me and your friend?
Mr. Sullivan, if me reach your place, see me go over the gate just for come reason with you. You know, say me and a friend. That means say it's important.
What could have so important?
I like to talk to you in private still.
Private. Anything you want to talk in front of me, you can talk in front of she.
Sure, so you want to go down the road because it might not be something much she go want hear. It involved nicely.
Come on, go out with this,